press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
So in this video, I would be showing you how you can apply your eyeshadow perfectly or how to apply your eyeshadow for beginners. So this is the look I have created for this video. So if you want to know how I have created this look, then please keep on watching. Guys, welcome back. How are you? And a fresh hello for all of you who are new for my channel. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and also hit that bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So for applying the eyeshadow, the very first thing is priming your eyelids, and for this I have used Maybelline concealer, Maybelline Fit Me, and it is in the shade medium, and I have applied it on my eyelids and blend it really well, and then I have set it with my compact. So I am ready with my primed eyelids, and now moving ahead for my eyeshadow. And for my eyeshadow I am using this Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and yes, I have reviewed this on my channel and I would be dropping the link in the bottom bar. And it is a great eyeshadow palette, and just let me show you how it looks. So here are the colors, beautiful colors. It has got all sorts of color you would need for a beautiful perfect eyeshadow. So yes, now I would use my blending brush. I just love my blending brush. So first of all, I would be working on my crease. So what is crease? When you open your eyes, you see this area right here, the socket. This is your crease, and this portion is your brow bone, and this is your lid, and this portion is your outer V, this is your inner V. These are some of the basics you should know when you're applying your eyeshadow, so it would be really easy. And now without any further ado, let's get ahead with the video. So for my crease, I would be using this color right here. This is a really nice cool brown sort of a shade, so it would look really nice on my crease. And yes, I would be going with a very little amount, you can see. So removing the excess, you should remove the excess whenever you are placing the eyeshadow or applying the eyeshadow, because you can build your eyeshadow but you can't reduce it. So just make sure that whenever you are going to apply your eyeshadow, whatever you're having in your brush, just remove the excess. So now I'm having my eyeshadow color on my brush, and now I would be applying this on my eyelids. So first of all, just place it right here on your outer V like this, and then circular motion, and then windscreen motion like this. So you see, windscreen motion and circular motion. You can avoid the circular motion if you just want your crease color on your crease, but I like my crease color somewhat on my outer V also, so I am using this thing. So go circular and then go windscreen like this. So you see, I'm not going on my brow bone with my crease color because I would use the highlight thing for my brow bone. So I'm just placing it right here on my crease and then somewhat on my outer V. So you see, this portion has somewhat a 3D effect on my eye, and this is all bland, so I would be using this. So now I would be using this brown color. This is a beautiful chocolate brown color, and now I would be focusing on my outer V only. Go very soft with your brush, and you see how I'm holding the brush like this, and I am very softly placing this on my outer V. I'm just placing the color wherever I want the color, so I'm not moving it here and there. And now with my color bar blending brush, this is a really nice angled blending brush, so it is really nice for working on your outer V. So I would be using this, and I would be going with this yellow color right here. It is a really nice orangey yellow color. So removing the excess, I would just go on my socket. So you see, it has given a really nice gradient effect on my eyes, the yellow and the yellow orangey color. So yes, this is my outer V look and it is completed. And now I would be working on my lid, and for my lid I would be using this beautiful orange color. This is a really nice vibrant orange color, and with the help of my finger I would just pick it up and place it on my lids. So I have placed the orange color, and now with the help of a blending brush, a clean blending brush, I would just blend all the edges so that there are no harsh lines. My upper eyelid makeup is completed, and now I would work on my lower eyelid. Now with the help of a flat shader brush, I would pick this orange color right here, remove the excess, and now I would place this on my lower lash line. And now for my eyeliner, I'm using this Maybelline Drama Gel Eyeliner, and with the help of an angular brush, I would apply it on my eyelids. And I have applied my eyeliner, and now I would be applying the kajal. And for my kajal, I'm using this Lakme Iconic Kajal, and this is a regular black kajal. You can also go for colored kajal like blue, green, brown, but for this beautiful look, I thought black kajal would go amazing with this. Now for the mascara, I'm using this Essence Get Big Lashes Mascara. This is a really nice and affordable mascara, and if you wish you can also go for fake lashes, but I am not really comfortable with lashes, so mascara. My mascara is also completed, and now I would be going with highlighting. And for highlighting, I'm using again my Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and it has one beautiful shade, guys. Let me show you this one right here, and this is a really nice pearly white highlighter, and I would be using it on my brow bone. Oh my god, this is gorgeous, you guys. Can you see it? This is beautiful. I'm also using this highlighter shade on my inner corner of the eyes. So yes, this was my video on how you can apply your eyeshadow perfectly, or how to apply eyeshadow for beginners, and I hope this video is helpful for all of you guys. And if you loved this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also hit the bell icon below, and also subscribe my channel, and also show some love by sharing my videos with your friends and family. And also, if you have any kind of suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to know your suggestions. So yes, this was all for this video. I would be winding up my video over here. Bye bye. See ya.